Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back here today with another haul, but this time I have an IKEA haul for you guys. This is actually my first ever IKEA haul on this channel, which is kind of crazy because I love going to IKEA so much. I can honestly spend the entire day gallivanting, taking my sweet time. It honestly feels like a day trip. So this is my first time going to IKEA on Oxford Street, and I know it's been there for a little while now. It's still fairly new, but my first thoughts of an IKEA on Oxford Street was, how is that going to work? Well, I definitely found out for myself because I went and it works. So without further ado, let me get straight on into this IKEA haul. Okay, the first item I got is this plant. It didn't come in this pot. This is how it came. And then I got this plant pot separately. Now I'm someone who has many plants, so did I really need another plant? Probably not. But I remember picking up one of these in the past, and for some reason we couldn't keep it alive. So I thought, round two, let's have another go. I'm on a mission to make it work this time. So I've got this one, and then I already put it into this plant pot. I then got this balsamic vinegar bottle. Aesthetically, I just thought this looked really cute and it matches my kitchen decor. And then it has a little spout at the top which you can pop open and then you can just pour away. It's really hard to go into IKEA and not pick up a candle because on entrance you're surrounded. But this one is apple scent and it smells delicious. So I got a miniature one of these. And then I know it's not quite autumn just yet. I'm really looking forward to autumn, but I know it's not quite autumn. So I shouldn't have really got this, but I couldn't help but pick it up. It's a pumpkin spice scented candle. If you've watched some of my videos from past year, I go a little bit cray in autumn season because it is my favourite season. I love everything cinnamon and pumpkin. So when I saw this, I thought I probably shouldn't, but I'm going to anyway. And I also just liked the mini pumpkins on the jar as well. We also got two more white plant pots. We've got some little plant babies that we need to pot up, so these will come in handy for that. We then got a new doormat. We've been needing a new doormat for a while. The one that we have at the moment needs to be changed, so this was an essential. We then got a box of bag seals or bag clips. There were 26 in a box, and I think it was maybe £2. And yeah, you get different sizes and different colours as well. We then bought a black rail, which we're going to hang in the kitchen. And then we got a pack of hooks to add to the rail. And this one came separately. I then got a new pair of kitchen scissors. I really like this colour, kind of like a sage green. The current ones we have gone a bit blunt, so these ones are really sharp. And now for some foodie bits. The first food item that we picked up are these Swedish fish. We really love these and haven't had them in a very long time, and they are completely vegan and they're quite a lot in the pack as well, so this should last us a little while. I then got a pack of vegan cola bottles, and I think I just picked these up because they're vegan, because I'm looking at them now and they look a little bit shriveled, but they're vegan friendly, and so whenever I see things are labelled vegan I get a little bit excited. I'm like, oh my gosh, we can have these. So I got these ones as well. Tash then picked up some alphabet biscuits, which are also labelled vegan, and I think that may have been her reason for putting them in the trolley as well. And then last but not least, I picked up a bottle of their elderflower cordial. This is something that I pick up every single time I go to IKEA. I get a bottle of this. And then some other items that did not make the haul, but we could not go to IKEA without getting IKEA food. We hadn't intended on eating in IKEA, but it's inevitable, right? Whenever you go into IKEA, you see the plant-based hot dogs, you see the chips, you see the cakes, you see the ice cream, and you just have to eat, right? That was actually the first thing we did. At the moment we came down the escalator, we went straight to eat, and then we shopped. That's everything this time for my IKEA haul. Really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done already, guys, make sure you're subscribed. And of course, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.